This Kenmore Programmable 7-quart slow cooker is a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance designed to make meal preparation effortless and enjoyable. Its sleek black and silver stainless steel exterior, combined with a digital display and one-touch controls, makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Here's a comprehensive review of this feature-packed slow cooker. The Kenmore Programmable Slow Cooker boasts a modern design with a stainless steel finish that complements any kitchen decor. The build quality is robust, featuring a sturdy construction that ensures durability. The large 7-quart capacity is perfect for preparing meals for large families or gatherings. Its oval shape is ideal for fitting whole chickens, large roasts, and enough soup or stew to feed a crowd. One of the standout features of this slow cooker is its programmable convenience. The digital controls and display allow you to pre-set your cooking time and mode, providing flexibility and ease of use. You can set the cooking time anywhere from 30 minutes to 20 hours, accommodating a wide range of recipes. The Delay Start feature, which can be set up to 24 hours in advance, ensures your meal will be hot and ready when you are. With its 7-quart capacity, this slow cooker is perfect for preparing large meals. It comfortably fits a 7-pound chicken or a 5-pound roast, making it ideal for family dinners, potlucks, and parties. The versatility of this appliance extends beyond just slow cooking. It offers multiple cooking functions, including braise, simmer, sous vide, stew, soup, chili, and curry. This wide range of functions allows you to experiment with various recipes and cooking styles. Included with the slow cooker is a bonus dipper sauce warmer. This handy accessory is perfect for heating dips, sauces, and gravy to the perfect temperature. It features an LED power indicator and goes straight from the kitchen to the table for easy serving. The dipper enhances the convenience of the slow cooker, allowing you to prepare and serve appetizers and sauces effortlessly. The Kenmore Slow Cooker offers 4 temperature settings: low, medium, high, and warm. These settings are easily adjustable using the one-touch controls and the clear digital LED display. Whether you're slow cooking a stew all day or quickly preparing a meal in a few hours, the temperature settings ensure your food is cooked to perfection. The warm setting is particularly useful for keeping food at the right serving temperature without overcooking. This slow cooker is designed for ease of use. The digital controls are intuitive, making it simple to set the cooking time and temperature. The removable ceramic inserts and tempered glass lids are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The stainless steel exterior and handles easily wipe down, maintaining the appliance's sleek appearance. The overall user experience is enhanced by the thoughtful design and functional features. In terms of performance, the Kenmore Programmable Slow Cooker delivers consistent and reliable results. The slow cooker's heating element distributes heat evenly, ensuring that food is cooked thoroughly. Whether you're making a hearty chili, a tender roast, or a flavorful curry, the slow cooker handles it all with ease. The large capacity is particularly beneficial for batch cooking and meal prepping, allowing you to cook once and enjoy multiple meals. This slow cooker is not only versatile and powerful, but also energy efficient. Operating at 240 watts and 120 volts AC, 60 Hz, it consumes less energy compared to traditional ovens, making it an environmentally friendly option for your kitchen. The ability to cook large quantities of food in one go also contributes to energy savings, reducing the need for multiple cooking sessions. Safety is a key consideration with any kitchen appliance, and the Kenmore Slow Cooker does not disappoint. The secure locking lid and rubber gasket prevent spills and ensure safe transport, making it perfect for potlucks and gatherings. The programmable timer and automatic switch to the warm setting add an extra layer of safety, preventing overcooking and keeping food at a safe temperature. Cleaning up after cooking is often a dreaded task, but the Kenmore Slow Cooker makes it easy. The removable ceramic inserts and tempered glass lids are dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free cleanup. The stainless steel exterior can be wiped down easily, and the dipper sauce warmer is also easy to clean. This convenience makes the slow cooker a practical choice for busy households. Kenmore is a trusted brand with a reputation for quality and reliability. The slow cooker comes with a warranty, providing peace of mind with your purchase. The S-based support team is responsive and helpful, addressing any inquiries or issues promptly. This level of customer support adds value to the product, ensuring a positive user experience. Conclusion: the Kenmore Programmable 7-quart slow cooker with dipper sauce warmer is a versatile, reliable, and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its large capacity, programmable convenience, multiple cooking functions, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify meal preparation. Whether you're cooking for a large family, hosting a potluck, or simply want to enjoy a hassle-free cooking experience, this slow cooker delivers on all fronts. Its sleek design, energy efficiency, and safety features further enhance its appeal, making it a valuable investment for any home cook. If you're in the market for a high-quality slow cooker that offers both functionality and style, the Kenmore Programmable 7QT slow cooker is a top contender. It's designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable and stress-free, allowing you to create delicious meals with minimal effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.